Hi everybody, I am Asude and 10th grade student at Altınşehir Anatolian High School. I was successful in the 5-stage YES program, which I applied to learn culture and improve my language. And I will study 11th grade as an exchange student in the USA. I am very happy and curious to go there in the 2 months. In this process, I would like to thank my English teacher Sultan BUCAK and all English teachers. My school's interest and belief in this matter is endless. I am grateful that they will support many exchange students like me in the future.
Tuesday, got your girl in the pretty shake, Tuesday,